Namaste, Anuradha ji.
Namaste. It's a auspicious day today. Uh, in Tamil month, it is Adi and it is a Friday. So the whole of the month of Adi is very special for Devi. And also being a Friday, it is even more special. So I feel blessed to be chanting with you all Mahishasuramardini Stotram today. So, as I mentioned yesterday, so today we will do 18 and 19 and we will chant from 1 to 19 in one stretch. All right. Okay. Settle down. Sit comfortably. Gently close your eyes. Let us invoke the presence of Devi. Visualize the beautiful form of Devi in front of your eyes. Let us pray for her grace. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us begin with the invocation prayer all together. नमस्ते शारदा देवी काश्मीरपुरवासिनी त्वामहं प्रार्थये नित्यम् विद्यां बुद्धिं च देहि मे. Let us take the blessings of Ma Durga. Gently open your eyes. Let us go to shloka number 18. Kana kala, sat kala, half the stress on it. Sat kala, sindhu, mahapranadha, sindhu jalai, satkala sindhu jalai, kanakala satkala sindhu jalai, jalaira Ranusinchita Sinchinute. Okay, so again, it's hard to break into two equal halves here in this line. So we will chant in one single breath. Satkala Sindhu Jalairanu Sinchinute Guna Ranga Bhuvam. So here Sindhu Dha Mahaprana Jalai, then Jalairanu Sinchi. There is a half nya. So Sinchi Nute Guna Ranga Bhuvam. Ga is normal ga, it's not Mahaprana. Ranga Bhuvam. Bha is Mahaprana. Guna Ranga Bhuvam. Kanakala Satkala Sindhu Jalai Ranu Sinchinu Te Guna Ranga Bhuvam. Second line. Bhajati. Bha Mahaprana. Bhajati Sakim. This is Kim, there is an Anusvara. Sakim na. Bhajati Sakim na. Shachi. This chi is Dirga. Shachi Kucha Kumbha. There is a half ma here. Shachi Kucha Kumbha. Bha Mahaprana. Bhajati Sakim na Shachi Kucha Kumbha. Tati. T is also Dirga. Tati Pari Rambha. Tati Pari Rambha. Bha Mahaprana. तटीपरिरम्भ सुखानुभवम्. ख महाप्राण, सुखानुभवम्. भवम भ महाप्राण. So sukhanubhavam. Bhajati sakim na shachikuchakumbha. So here you can take a break. Tati parirambha sukhanubhavam. Third line. Tava charanam. Anuswara is there. So charanam sharanam. Charanam sharanam karavani. तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि नतामरवाणि नतामरवाणि निवासि शिवं निवासि शिवं. तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि. टेक अ ब्रेक. नतामरवाणि निवासि शिवं. जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. So here, first line, Guna Rangabhuvam. So here Guna Rangabhuvam, it refers to the entrance of Devi's temple. And someone who washes or who cleans, or you can even say sprinkles water on the temple entrance with what? With Sindhu Jalaihi. Sindhu is ocean, Jala water. So with the waters of the ocean, and it is being carried in a Kanakala Satkala, in a glittering golden pot. Kanaka is golden, so Kanakala Satkala is like a glittering golden pot. The person who does seva, that is the Tatparya that is explained here. The person who does seva for Devi, service at the temple or in any way on goddess's feet, then for such a person, bhajati sakim, like this is a question. Shankaracharya ji is posing a question that will that person will not get that sukha anubhavam. Sukha anubhavam is like sukha anubhavam. It is like the pure, pleasant experience or that bliss of here the words that are used are kucha kumbha. So again this came in an earlier verse as well. So it is about it's referring to embracing her bosom. But again the tatparya, the meaning here is that getting Devi's grace. So a person who does that seva, who does service, will that person not enjoy this bliss of attaining Devi's grace? And such a person, because of his devotion, dedication, he gets that position of Indra. So here this Indra's post that is being referred here. Yeah, so the Shachi Kucha Kumbha, right? So that reference is like to attain that Indra Loka. So that is considered as the highest position. So will that person not attain that state? So that is a question being posed. Third line, Tava Charanam. So here, Charanam and Sharanam, two different words. Charanam is like feet. What kind of a charanam it is? It is Shivam Charanam, like auspicious feet. Sharanam is like Sharanagati, surrender, refuge. So I am taking refuge in your auspicious feet, and in that auspicious feet is where Vani resides, Vani, Saraswati. Again, it is all Devis are the same, right? So where Vani is residing, and Natamara Vani. So here it is being referred, Natamara is Devas. So Devas are worshipping that auspicious feet, Nivasi. They are worshipping that auspicious feet of Devi. So to that feet, we take refuge or we take Sharanagati. कनकलसत्कल कनकलसत्कल सिन्धुजलैरनु सिन्धुजलैरनु सिञ्चिनुते गुणरङ्गभुवम् सिञ्चिनुते गुणरङ्गभुवम् कनकलसत्कलसिन्धुजलैरनु कनकलसत्कलसिन्धुजलैरनु सिञ्चिनुते गुणरङ्गभुवम् सिञ्चिनुते गुणरङ्गभुवम् भजति स किं न भजति स किं न शचीकुचकुम्भ शचीकुचकुम्भ भजति स किं न शचीकुचकुम्भ भजति स किं न शचीकुचकुम्भ तटीपरिरम्भ तटीपरिरम्भ सुखानुभवम् सुखानुभवम् तटीपरिरम्भ सुखानुभवम् तटीपरिरम्भ सुखानुभवम् भजति स किं न शचीकुचकुम्भ तटीपरिरम्भ सुखानुभवम् भजति स किं न शचीकुचकुम्भ तटीपरिरम्भ सुखानुभवम् तव चरणं शरणं तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि करवाणि तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि न तामरवाणि न तामरवाणि निवासि शिवं निवासि शिवं न तामरवाणि निवासि शिवं न तामरवाणि निवासि शिवं तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि न तामरवाणि निवासि शिवं तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि न तामरवाणि निवासि शिवं जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. Let's move to shloka 19. Tava Tava Bimalendukulam. There is a half na. Bimalendukulam. Anuswara. Tava Bimalendukulam. Badanendumalam. Badanendumalam. Sakalam. Nanu. Sakalam nanu. Kulayate. This is ku dirgha. So kulayate. Sakalam nanu kulayate. Kimu, kimu, puruhuta. This who is dirgha, so puruhuta purindu. Again, ri is ri is dirgha, so puruhuta purindu. Puruhuta Purindu Mukhi. Mukhi. Again, Kha Mahaprana and Dirgha. So, Mukhi, Sumukhi, Sumukhi, Bhirasau. Bhirasau. Bha Mahaprana. Kimu Puruhuta Purindu Mukhi. Sumukhi Bhirasau. Sumukhi Bhirasau. Vimukhi Kriyate. Ki Mahaprana and Dirgha. Vimukhi Kriyate. Vimukhi Kriyate. Mama tu matam. Mama tu matam. Shivana Madane. Shivanama Dhane. Shivanama Dhane. Dha Mahaprana. Mamatu matam Shivanama Dhane Bhavati. Bha Mahaprana Bhavati Kripaya. Kripaya Bhavati Kripaya Kimuta. Kimuta Kriyate. Kimuta Kriyate. Mamatu matam Shivanamadhane Bhavati Kripaya Kimuta Kriyate. Kimuta Kriyate. Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute. So here the comparison with moon, right? So that is again repeated here. So here we are talking the first line. Devi's moon-like face. And here we are talking about Vimala Indukulam. Vimala Indukulam. Indu is moon. Kulam is like group of moons, and Mala is like impurities. Vimala here, no impurities, blemishless. So that group of blemishless moons. So here we are talking about Devi's face, which is again here mentioned as Vadanendu Malam. So Vadana Indu is face like moon. Her face appears like moon, and it also appears as a group of blemishless moons. And can such a face be compared to anything else? Sakalam, like everything else. Can such a radiant, glowing, blemishless face be compared to anything else in the world? Second line here, the same charming face, Mukham, here it is Mukhi, the charming face, Vimukhi Kriyate. Can that face be ever defeated? By whom? Sumukhi. Mukhi is like beautiful face, and Sumukhi is beautiful face or fine face. So here we are talking about whether the beautiful moon-like faces of people, of women who live in Puruhuta Puri. Puruhuta Puri is, Puruhuta is like the celestial world, indicating Devas. Puruhuta Puri. Puri is referring to a place. So women of the celestial damsels who look so beautiful in that world, even their faces, they can't defeat this charming face of Devi. Then third line here, Shivanama Dhani. So Shivanama Dhani. So the one who has name of Shiva as her wealth. So here it indicates that she has that her wealth is nothing but Shiva. So that is the connection being made with Bhagavan Shiva. And Bhavati Kripaya, like is there anything that cannot be accomplished with her grace? Mamatu Matam. So that is what I'm thinking, is what Shankaracharya ji talks about here. So when you chant these, right, first and foremost, it removes your ego completely, right? When you are praising somebody wholeheartedly, it means that you are taking that person as an inspiration. um, you can't just praise somebody with a false or something else in your mind, right? But if you praise with such a diligent attitude, then it means that your ego is getting washed away, and that is the very first step of devotion. So in all our shlokas and stotras, people might ask why your gods need to be praised so much. It is not for the gods, it is for us, so that we get rid of this ego, or at least we reduce our ego. It is not possible to get rid of it completely, but at least reduce it to such an extent so that devotion blossoms in our heart. So that is the whole idea behind having such powerful, beautiful, praiseworthy shlokas. Let us chant. तव विमलेन्दुकुलम् तव विमलेन्दुकुलम् बदनेन्दुमलम् बदनेन्दुमलम् तव विमलेन्दुकुलं वदनेन्दुमलम् तव विमलेन्दुकुलं वदनेन्दुमलम् सकलं ननु सकलं ननु कूलयते कूलयते सकलं ननु कूलयते सकलं ननु कूलयते तव विमलेन्दुकुलं वदनेन्दुमलं सकलं ननु कूलयते तव विमलेन्दुकुलं वदनेन्दुमलं सकलं ननु कूलयते किमु पुरुहूत किमु पुरुहूत पुरीन्दुमुखी पुरीन्दुमुखी किमु पुरुहूत पुरीन्दुमुखी किमु पुरुहूत पुरीन्दुमुखी सुमुखिभिरसौ सुमुखिभिरसौ विमुखीक्रियते विमुखी विमुखीक्रियते विमुखीक्रियते किमु पुरुहूत पुरीन्दुमुखी सुमुखीभिरसौ विमुखीक्रियते किमु पुरुहूत पुरीन्दुमुखी सुमुखीभिरसौ विमुखीक्रियते मम तु मतम् मम तु मतम् शिवनामधने शिवनामधने मम तु मतं शिवनामधने मम तु मतं शिवनामधने भवती कृपया भवती कृपया किमुत क्रियते किमुत क्रियते भवती कृपया किमुत क्रियते भवती कृपया किमुत क्रियते मम तु मतं शिवनामधने भवती कृपया किमुत क्रियते मम तु मतं शिवनामधने भवती कृपया किमुत क्रियते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनी शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते। Let us begin the chanting from Shloka 1. We'll go slowly. We'll chant together. Ayi giri nandini nandita medini Vishwa vinodini nandanute गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनी विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कंठकुटुंबिनी भूरि कुटुंबिनी भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि धुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते आयि जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनप्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंगनिजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधुकैटभगञ्जिनी कैटभभञ्जिनी रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते आयि शतखण्डविखण्डितरुण्ड वितुण्डितशुण्डगजाधिपते रिपुगजगण्डविदारणचण्ड पराक्रमशौण्डमृगाधिपते निजभुजदण्डनिपातितखण्ड विपातितमुण्डभटाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते आयिरणदुर्मदशत्रुवधोदित दुर्धरनिर्जरशक्तिभृते चतुरविचारधुरीण महाशिव दूतकृतप्रमथाधिपते दुरितदुरीह दुराशय दुर्मति दानवदूतकृतान्तमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते आयि शरणागतवैरिवधूवर वीरवराभयदायिकरे त्रिभुवनमस्तकशूलविरोधी शिरोधिकृतामलशूलकरे दूमि दूमि तामर दुन्दुभिनाद महोमुखरीकृत दिङ्निकरे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अयि निजहुङ्कृतिमात्र निराकृत धूम्रविलोचन धूम्रशते समरविशोषित शोणितबीज समुद्भव शोणितबीजलते शिव शिव शुम्भ निशुम्भ महाहव तर्पितभूतपिशाचपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते धनुरनुसङ्गरणक्षणसङ्ग परिस्फुरदङ्गनटत्कटके कनकपिशङ्गपृषत्कनिषङ्ग रसद्भटशृङ्गहतावटुके कृतचतुरङ्गबलक्षितिरङ्ग घटद्बहुरङ्गरटद्बटुके जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय जप्य जये जय शब्द परस्तुति तत्परविश्वनुते भण भण भिञ्जिमि भिङ्कृतनूपुर शिञ्जितमोहितभूतपते नटितनटार्धनटीनटनायक नाटितनाट्यसुगानरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अयि सुमनः 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 सुमनोहर कान्तियुते श्रितरजनी रजनी 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 करवक्त्रवृते सुनयन बिभ्रमर भ्रमर भ्रमर भ्रमराधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सहितमहाहवमल्लमतल्लिक मल्लितरल्लकमल्लरते विरचितवल्लिक पल्लिक मल्लिक झिल्लिक भिल्लिक वर्गवृते सितकृतफुल्लसमुल्लसितारुण तल्लज पल्लव सल्ललिते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अविरलगण्डगलन्मदमेदुर मत्तमतङ्गजराजपते त्रिभुवनभूषणभूतकलानिधि रूपपयोनिधिराजसुते अयि सुदतीजनलालसमानस मोहनमन्मथराजसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कमलदलामलकोमलकान्ति कलाकलितामलभालतले सकलविलासकलानिलयक्रम केलिचलत्कलहंसकुले अलिकुलसङ्कुलकुवलयमण्डल मौलिमिलद्बकुलालिकुले जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते करमुरलीरवबीजितकूजित लज्जितकोकिलमञ्जुमते मिलितपुलिन्दमनोहरगुञ्जित रञ्जितशैलनिकुञ्जगते निजगुणभूतमहाशबरीगण सद्गुणसंवृतकेलितले जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते. We are running out of time, so I'll stop at 14. You can continue from 15 to 19 after this class. Gently close your eyes. Feel the vibrations of the chanting. Bring your hands to Namaskara. Let us conclude with the closing prayer. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. Let's take the blessings of Devi on this auspicious day. Gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining. Sorry we couldn't complete the 19 as planned. So we will continue on Monday. We just have 2 more shlokas left to complete the stotram. Thank you all. Have a beautiful evening ahead.
Thank you
Happy
very much.
Adivelli.
Thank you,
Anu,
Anuji.
Thank you.
happy Adivelli.
Thank you for the wishes. See you all on Monday.